friends, Running Kimono, and we are back at Walgreens. I'm going to show you two different scenarios using that goofy booster of spend 25, get back 10. This is my first basket, 5 aluminum-free Tom's of Maine deodorants, and then 1 of the picks. And this is the booster that we're talking about. It is of a one-time use, so if you used it and it's still in your account, it's a one and done, and it's valid till the 13th, which is Saturday. So what I did, guys, was I grabbed 5 of these deodorants priced at $4.99. Now, I am a little bit short from getting to that $25 mark. I also had $2 digitals that I loaded to my store card, just to note that. As I was like a penny or 2 pennies short from hitting that $25 mark, I grabbed one of these free picks found in the dollar spot or travel area. They're $1 and we have a $1 digital that is attaching. So this is a very easy deal. Grabbing one of those picks for $1 and then 5 of the Tom's of Maine deodorant is $24.95. So adding those two numbers up together, it's $25.95. I have my booster loaded, 10 back when I spend 25. I have $3 in digitals coming off, $2 for the Tom's of Maine, and then $1 for the Oral-B picks. With my debit card, I paid $21.95, and then I got back $25 in Walgreens cash. 15, 3 for every Tom's of Maine, so 3 times 5 is 15, plus the booster of spend 25, get back 10. So that's $25 of Walgreens cash back for me. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards with this offer, as you know, you don't want things to get messed up. But what a solid deal, especially if you love the aluminum-free Tom's of Maine deodorant. Now, I also tested another booster for another deal, but this did not work out for me, so I'm just going to be transparent and honest. In store, I grabbed one of these big mamas for $27.99, and how it's worded there is to get back a $10 register reward when you spend $25. As a curbside pickup, it's $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. So I thought the two would stack. They didn't. I loaded this, and this is what I did. It's still not a bad deal, but I mean, it's not fantastic. $27.99 for the Big Mama. I had my booster loaded, 10 back when you spend $25. The $5 digital melted off. I paid $22.99 with my debit card. Got back $10 in Walgreens cash for the booster and then a $10 register reward, making it $2.99. So there was no double dip for old Aunt Rach. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess everything up. I do want to point something out. If you throw one of these into a curbside basket, like a curbside pickup basket, there was an NYX, which is a makeup company. There was an extra like $2.99 coming off. I did that last night as a joke, and guess what? It was working. So that would make it free if you did it as a curbside pickup, if the NYX extra savings was coming off. Again, just the balance, use your debit card or credit card. But yeah, that was kind of strange. So if you wanted to check that out, you possibly could get one of these large shampoos for free. Okay, now we have the Arm & Hammer at $1.99. We haven't seen this price in probably a couple of months, so this is stock up time for the liquid detergent pods or the scent booster. So I got 5 of them, just a mix and match for me. So 5 of them is $9.95. I used $10 in Walgreens cash and paid down the tax with a little smiley face. Not using a booster with this, so yes, I can use my Walgreens cash or store register rewards. Also, for the same price point of $1.99 is the 4 packs of the Walgreens Strong or the Walgreens Soft toilet paper. If you wanted to do this in store, grabbing 5 of them for $9.95, use $10 in Walgreens cash and call this a deal. Again, doing this without a booster, you can totally use your Walgreens cash. If you're a new couponer, you can really build that toilet paper stockpile. I also have a code of WAGS20. If you're doing it as a curbside pickup, you'd have to add 7 into a cart. I know that might be kind of hard for some of you to do. And I know some of you just like to shop in store, so just looking at it in 2 different angles. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about really quickly is the Dollar General clearance event that's taking place this Friday, the 12th, Saturday, the 13th, and Sunday, the 14th. More stuff that I'm finding in store. It's just going to be a tremendous sale, guys, including this free it's like a little face like foundation by CoverGirl. So looking at this for $2.52, the prices are going to switch over on Friday the 12th. Subtracting that $3 digital, it makes it free at an updated store or free and 48 cents of overage at a non-updated store. And then also, I was very lucky to find a bag of these Snuggle. It's like some sort of like pod. So these are going to be $2.22 starting on Friday. We have $1.25 digital, making it 97 cents. That is super cheap. I have an entire video with matchups like this, if this is your thing. I know that a lot of times pharmacy shoppers, I don't want to shop at Dollar General, but this sale is really unique, and if you just even take the time to scout your store, you might find some stuff that will, you're just going to be like, oh my gosh, this is a really good sale, and I'm getting so excited by the sale. So I'll link the video at the very end. Love Dollar General. Okay, now we're at Rite Aid, and I'm just going to show you a deal if you wanted to go to the store and just make a deal happen for you. It's either with the Blue Buffalo cat treats or the cans of cat food. They are buy two, get back $4 in bonus cash, making it free for the little cans, and then 9 cents for the cat treats. So any way that you look at it, it's just fantastic. And razzle dazzle, for those of you that love that. Okay, guys, so grabbing 4 of the cans of the cat food, that would be $7.96, and then you would get back $8 in bonus cash. You've hit your limit at that point because you can do it twice per store card. Alternatively, grabbing the cat treats, that would be $8.36 at $2.09 a pop, and then you get back $8 in bonus cash, making it 36 cents for the 4, which is a really good deal. I love it when this promotion comes around. And some of the cat treats also had freshness peelies, so that's extra savings for you. Okay, so now I want to look at 2 different deals using the 10 back when you spend 40. So you either got this in an email or from the flyer. Just grab a screenshot of it. Now, a lot of us also got an email coupon in celebration of Mother's Day, which is a 5 off of 25, and that worked perfectly, and I could use it more than once, just to note that. So this first basket, anyone can do, and it should be really cheap. So I got 2 toothpastes, 2 mouthwashes. I know I have 3 mouthwashes, but I did grab 2 toothpastes, 2 mouthwashes, one of the Glad bags for $9.99, and then 2 Persil, so this was $40. Now, I had a huge problem at the store with the cashier yesterday. It was bad. I was really upset. I'm not going to talk about it in this video. The video might be like 3 hours long because it was really bad, guys. But, did you ever run into somebody that just really wants to give you a hard time? That's what I was dealing with. Anyhow, this was like $41 in merchandise. Let's look at the products in store. Okay, guys, so I grabbed 2 of these sensitive toothpaste at $4.99, and then 2 of the mouth rinses at $4.99, and I have $2 digitals for both, and then you earn $5 in bonus cash when you buy 2 with a limit of 2, so I've maxed out there. I also grabbed one of the garbage bags for $9.99, $4 in bonus cash back when you buy 1. The limit for this is up to 4, and it's a month-long promotion, I think, but this price is week-long. I also grabbed 2 of the Persils at $5.99. I had a Catalina coupon for $4 off one of these, so that was my genius idea. $2 of bonus cash back for each. Apologies if I'm calling this Walgreens cash. I'm just always at Walgreens, but this is Rite Aid, so it would be bonus cash. Okay, so this is what we have, that $4 Catalina coupon, top left-hand corner. We have the 10 back when you spend 40 out of the ad, $2 digital for the mouth rinse, $2 for the paste, and then on coupons.com, another $2 back for the paste, and then $1.50 back for the Glad trash bag. There's also a digital coupon, but I didn't get a screenshot of it. I also got this Mother's Day thing to scan and an extra $5 off. And just to show you the receipt, there it is. I mean, I spent $29, got back 28, and then I got an extra $2 back from coupons.com for the 1 toothpaste. So that was a really good deal. Just sad about the drama at the store because that wasn't a lot of fun, and I mean, who likes being yelled at? Okay, so the next deal that we have, again, I just used a 10 back when you spend 40. I think I used the email one because this is of a one-time use as well, so I didn't use the same one in 2 transactions. And then the Mother's Day, you could use this one twice in theory, though. So what I did for this little deal, guys, was I grabbed at least $40 in Dove. The Dove this week is to spend 20, get back 7. So grabbing 40, you can do it twice. You'd get back $14. With the 10 back when you spend 40, that would be $24 back. So hopefully you're following along. And I had $2 coupon, that tear pad from Walgreens. And then I had a $1.50 Rite Aid coupon that was mailed to my house. So that was extra savings for me. With the $5 Mother's Day, it made this deal really fantastic. So just looking at the math here, the larger ones were $14.49, so that's $28.98. One of the smaller Dove for $11.99 for a total of $40.97. Got the cashier to scan the 10 back when you spend 40, and the Mother's Day 5 off of 25. I had 3 $2 coupons melting off right there, and the mailer. So I paid $28.47. I just rolled some bonus cash and got back 24. 14 for Dove and then 10 for the basket. And I didn't submit to IBOTTA. I don't want any trouble with them. I want to keep my account in good standing. I know there's a $3 for that larger Dove, but I didn't even submit to that. I don't want trouble with them because their rebate says you can't use it with coupons. So there it is. And yes, I rolled my bonus cash and earned it. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.